हेलो नमस्कार।
नमस्कार महाराज।
नमस्कार। हेलो नमस्कार महाराज। तुझ आवाज नहीं हुआ ना, आवाज नहीं हुआ तुझे म्यूटस पे ना तुझे इवन म्यूटस पे
नमस्कार महाराज। बुच्छस क्या लेट?
नमस्कार ना महाराज सूचक ने लेट क्या ना मरा आवाज वन का अनम्यूट तो मगर आवाज नहीं वन उनके
नमस्कार महाराज।
नमस्कार।
नमस्कार महाराज।
नमस्कार।
नमस्कार महाराज।
नमस्कार।
नमस्कार महाराज।
नमस्कार। आवाज नहीं आ रही आपकी। आत्मा जो हेडफोन के गड़बड़ को अच्छा अनम्यूट हाँ वन बट आवाज नहीं वन के फोन्स
नमस्कार महाराज।
नमस्कार। ना आवाज नहीं वन
I think if you restart, it might help the computer.
Yeah, he already did that.
Oh.
He logged off and then logged in again. So I'm not sure. I think there's some problem with the headphone connection.
महाराज तो ये ऐसे देतमुत शेयर स्क्रीन हुंद ऑप्शन प्लीज डिसेबल।
हाँ क्या करें कुलदीप जी करें कर तो पत करें तम डिसेबल डोंट वरी बेच चक वारे सांची नमरा आवाज नहीं वानी
आन महाराज बुच्छे स्वार है महाराज तो ही पत कहीं कुछ छो
ये मिशन नाउ
आरव छुन्यन दुश्मनियन स्कूल स्मंस
अल्लाह ये स्कूल का आरव की नहीं है बेका चलो वचन वार पर
स्कूलिच
ना ये कुछ ये स्कूल का आरव की नहीं बेका
किछु बेका
ये बेका चलो तेल ठीक बे लारण्याचा वारे Chalo, very good.
Why disconnect?
I did not disconnect. Right.
Who's that? Who's that?
That's auntie. Say hello. You say hello to everybody.
No, who's that?
That's someone. That's Apurva auntie.
What's your name?
Apurva. Your name is Apurva, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Apurva.
Hi, Arab.
Hello.
Hello.
भाई कैसा चल रहा है? How are you finding these classes?
Yeah, they're good. Yeah, slowly.
Slowly, yeah.
Yeah.
It will take time. Practice makes a man perfect. So
True.
Very happy Republic Day.
Belated Happy Republic Day. Yes, same to you. Okay. Let's wait for 5 minutes. I think Kuldip ji is joining back.
Oh yeah, it's nice chewing.
Serious.
Nice to serve.
Kuldip ji Karan won't join 5 minutes months. So let's wait. So then agar constitution सवाल या question.
ना मारा मैं चुना की ही question.
Very good. Chichak सारों को ज़्यादा intelligent में भाषण.
ना मैं ना मनून कश्मीरी उन बस वनान की मैं चुना क्या प्रश्न.
हाँ, बच्चे कश्मीरी खतरे वाना चिचक सारों को ज़्यादा intelligent चिचक हजमत युता ज़्यादा कोशर. वंचक से हकान कोशर पढ़ काट करत. होते चाहिए.
मारा 3.
Bey Vatsal ji. Vatsal, Devyanshi and Vatsal.
मारा.
क्या शुभासान कोशर है चित?
असल.
असल? Very good. Very good. जो करान घर कोशर पढ़ काट वन?
मारा बुच्चुस करान.
Very good. आदिया बेटा जी.
Yeah.
वंस क्या चीज़ वासन कोशर है चित?
How do you like it?
It's good.
Good. मगर ये पैसे कोशर पढ़ वन. Check लिखित हकान? Can you write?
Yes.
Are you able to write in Kashmiri?
Yes.
Are you able to talk in Kashmiri?
No, not yet.
Not yet.
Not yet. Okay, that means you need to practice.
I am.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Good. Oh, Vatsal ji kya tha? Havan. Vatsal, what are you showing? Kya Havan?
In.
Keen. Cha. यश जी,
हाँ जी महाराज।
वन मारो पन एक्सपीरियंस क्या चुते बासान जो खकान घर कशर पट कत करित सारनी सहित।
हाँ
हाँ बुछुस।
हाँ
वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड। ये अवलन्य, is that correct pronunciation?
Yes ma'am, I am Ablin.
Avlan, good. What is your experience? Sucha kakan kashir pat kat karit ki na?
No, not yet.
कशी पटकार कोशिश कात करने अपना वन छुमने तकान क्यों क्या
ना वन तका
गरज में चुई काम अज़्योट यूज़न कशी पट चुकारान का।
My all family is Kashmiri.
So they all talk in Kashmiri with you?
Yes.
And how do you reply? You reply in English?
I reply in Hindi and sometimes in English.
Ah, yeah. That happens. But you must try to reply in Kashmiri only.
Ashuna hekan boz to hai.
ना मारा वन तिशन आवाज इवन तो शो वन म्यूट स्पेट तो करियो अनम्यूट ना आवाज नहीं वन के
मारा तो ये छो क्या बना चैट
साख मिनट इम्च करान कोशिश ना मारा उनचन आवाज इवन ना अशु बस हकान वुचित के तो छु के वनान तो मगर बोझत ने हकान के अदमा जो तो हेडफोन डिस्कनेक्ट गोमुत अच्छा
Are you able to maybe log in through your phone too, if that's possible?
या तो करे फोन किन जूम कॉल कनेक्ट तो शेयर है के तो करे पत लैपटॉप किन तो फोन किन है के तो ऑडियो कनेक्ट कर सकते
हेलो
वन पे भी तो अटके जाए म्यूट करो
ओके I'll mute this phone.
लैपटॉप का तो म्यूट
मारा
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Hello.
अच्छा still echo गसन
मारा
Give me a second. I think I'll check it. Hello.
Still echo.
अकमेंट कर दो मोबाइल कर म्यूट
Huh?
मोबाइल पे करियो म्यूट एक मिनट
म्यूट कर दिया हेलो
आपने मोबाइल म्यूट किया
हाँ
मारा When करियो तो उन लैपटॉप पर स्पेट अनम्यूट बे
When करो लैपटॉप पर अनम्यूट बे के साथ चीज़ टेक्निकली सके एडवांस्ड
Is it okay now?
ना अच्छा लैपटॉप पर सी क्या है मैं बासा नहीं छु ये गोमुत लैपटॉप छु म्यूटस पर तो मगर इच्छुन बासान म्यूट के ये ऑन करानो ना तो एक करो डिस्कनेक्ट तो एक करो मोबाइल है ऑन तेरे करो लैपटॉप पे ये तो आवाज मारा छनी मान
नहीं, can I do that? यहाँ पर आवाज आई रही है।
यहाँ पे एक और है ना जब आप उससे लॉगिन कर रहे थे
That is what I'm saying. So does not help. Hello.
No, देखो
नारा लीव करियो तो उन लैपटॉप पर ये मीटिंग
Okay.
बेटा अगर ये लीव करें लैपटॉप पे मीटिंग पे इम कितने करंट शेयर करते
हाँ? Yeah. Can you do me a favor?
जी
Can you? But then you will have to stay with me. वो presentation वहाँ से on करें.
प्रेजेंटेशन में ऑन कर सकते हैं
But उसको आगे बढ़ाना पड़ेगा ना.
हाँ
Give me one more minute. I'll just check it.
हाँ जी
Hello. Is it okay now?
नंबर अच्छे उनके एको
We can't hear you now.
Hello.
नमस्कार महाराज मैफी थोड़ा गलती हो रहा है
That's okay. Shivani.
अच्छा थोड़ा
We are having some trouble. I don't know what. Is it possible for you to then because you'll have to do the presentation there. Hello.
One question. No, on your page.
Hello. Hello. All settings seem to be okay.
I'm lost in things.
Ahmed, book login. Share screen. Give me just 1 minute. Hello, Shivani. Can you hear me?
First class.
Yes.
Yes. Okay, good. No echo, right?
No.
No. Okay. Just give me a second. Let me start sharing the screen. I know we have lost a couple of, actually not couple of, but more than that, but yeah. So give me 1 minute, please. Thank you. Okay. Okay. Chatuja, can we on screen, would you?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am. And Mara.
Very good. Chalo, one para is lesson number 10, which is basics. God karo is revision, body, parts of the body. Bu hamo nav to toivanzo ath kya shwanan, theek cha?
Mara.
So God karo is yet per shuru, yosme list shivan bozna buka kar tat per shuru. Yash, once. Got no word? Speak in English first and then say what is the Kashmiri meaning of that.
Okay.
Yeah, tell me.
Head. Forehead.
Na head is kya chharan kashir put?
Head.
Head go. Sanchi, once it's a.
And Mara. Head chuvalan kal.
Kal. Forehead.
Decker.
Deccan one.
Approver.
Ah, very good. Face. Both. Very good. Eye. Urge. Ear.
Kan.
Shabash. Mouth. Oh, sorry. Nose.
Nas.
Nas. कहाँ है क्या मैं बने nostrils क्या बना?
Say Nakwar. Say louder.
Nakwar. Very good. Mouth. Very good. Tongue.
Zev.
Shabash. Lips.
Wood.
Wood. Chin.
Ongan.
Ongan. Shabash. Teeth.
Dant.
Very good. Chin go. Throat. Foot. Neck. Gardan. Very good. Now so close relations. You might say experiment lesson number 9 asmans. Mother-in-law.
Mara Devyanshi.
Vanyamara Devyanshi.
Mother-in-law Nash, daughter-in-law Nosh.
Very good. What is father-in-law? Pure. What is sister's husband?
Dema.
Dema. Very good. What is brother's wife? Huh? Pekakin. Very good. You can unmute and say because I don't see the list of all of you. So otherwise I will have to toggle between the two switches. Sorry, two screens. What is brother's wife? Baikak. Sister's husband? Bema. Brother's wife? Baikakin. Yes. Mother's sister?
Mas.
Very good. Mother's sister's husband?
Masu.
Very good. Father's sister? Pof. Father's sister's husband? Pofu. Great grandfather? Bade Budbab. Great grandmother? Bade Nine. You have to remember grandfather is Budbab. Grandmother is 9. तो जब ग्रेट के साथ में अचुगसन बड़े बुढ़बब तो बड़े 9. Okay. Small sentences. Give meaning one sentence each student. ठीक है? आगे करण वन्यसरी. Apurva ji ka start. No, I am not going to Delhi today.
Okay, so no, I am not going to Delhi today. Na muchuna az diligasun.
Very good. Adya, one Somalia. Yes, Niyati has come to my home. One sir. Niyati has come to my home. Niyati Shimyon Gar Ahmad. Because it's present tense. Niyati has come to my home. Okay.
Yeah.
Sanchi, is it hot outside today?
क्या हमारा?
Is it hot outside today? है चुशक ने ध्यान नहीं था वन.
ना हमारा.
That's a question.
हमारा मैं नहीं याद है वन सेंटेंस क्या च.
अच्छा किन चुन पर है आज पूछो Evelyn वंशम.
आज छा नबर कहीं गरम.
आज छा नेबर कहीं गरम. Okay, one side of it. श्रवण है क्या वनित?
ना
Hot outside.
ना आज चुन गरम.
ना चशी यम्यो की मानून meaning. कशर पॉइंट क्या बना? Is it hot outside? अगर आज प्रश्न कैसे? एम्स क्या बना इस?
आज नबर कहीं गरम.
Asha never can garam. Very good. No, it is not hot outside today. Tat kya bana?
ना
Ashchuna.
Very good. Very good. Shabash. Shubhangi Kol. Once a beta ji. Has Arjun gone to office?
Arjun cha daftar gamut.
Very good. Next, Yash. No, Niharika has not gone to office.
ना निहारिका आज दफ्तर ना गोस.
अच्छा चलो देवयांशी प्रसाद. देवयांशी जवान का थोड़ा सा गलती मगर बाकी तो ठीक.
I was not in last class.
Niharika Chena daftar gamas.
Very good. It's not important. आपने सही बोला या गलत. What is important that you are trying. Okay. So don't mind if you say wrong also. Okay. Next question. Sorry. Next will be Vatsal. Yes, Amita will go for picnic tomorrow. Vatsal?
Amita Paga actress
Gatsun. Picnicus. Is it raining outside, Prajakta?
Nebercha Ruth Pevan.
Never kincha Ruth Pevan. Never kincha Ruth Pevan. Be picnic go chakras. Sorry, I said picnic gatsun. In the last sentence, but picnic go chakras choose gatsun. No, it is not raining outside. Kush vanemuk? Tarjum kush karyamuk?
I can try.
Yeah, please. Go ahead.
Na Ashchuna Neberkin Ruth Pewan.
Yes. Is it Pragya's birthday today? Ascha? Birthday sona vorvod kashir pat. Ascha Pragya's birthday. Birthdays kya bano? Vorvod. Yes, it is Pragya's birthday today. Ashu Pragya's vorvod. ठीक छा? है सांची? चुशक ये ज़र technically advice दिवान. मगर ये सवाल ची प्रशांत चुशक वाना न में छन पता. अखवान next sentence जल्दी. Don't send message to Kusum.
Ma soz ak khat kusumas.
Soz a khat kusumas. खत का पर क्या नाम लेटर राइट शुन लिखित मैसेज मैसेज क्या गए क्वेश्चन पर
हमारा मैसेज मैसेज हमारा मैसेज
हाँ शेच बिल्कुल शेच आप क्या कहें
सेज कुसुमस
या कुसुमस मसोस शेच Okay, any questions still here? Any questions? Kanshaka, question, Prasun? Any questions, anybody?
I just have a quick question.
Okay, chalo, let's move then.
Sorry, I have a quick question.
Yes, please.
So you know with grandfather and grandmother,
yeah.
Is there any differentiation between, say, like nani and dadi? Like
yeah, chonan garich nine gai dadi.
Okay.
Mata malish nine gai nani. If you have to differentiate, if they are sitting together and you have to introduce them to somebody and say it's garich nine, it's mata malish nine. Otherwise, both of them are nine.
Okay.
So both of them are also Budibab. Grandfathers are also, I mean, both of them, both sides are Budibab. But okay. Garuk Budibab to Mata Maluk Budibab.
Okay.
Okay. Thanks. Okay. Any other question? Anybody?
Namara.
Okay. तो चले फिर आगे कुलदीप जी तशु okay telkar will continue okay chalo azrat tel bui class vanjuday message seri so we'll start with vocabulary baker go kandur very good barber go nayid blacksmith go khar
blacksmith क्या मतलब
blacksmith चुना सन जो यमजन यम च बनावान क्या चतुरान लोहे के बर्तन वगैरह so go blacksmith brazier go thanthur when you say brazier क्या go brazier go is an brass banch बनावान बाकी you can search on Google with images they will show you okay broker go dral butcher go puj carpenter go chan cobbler go butwatul yes confectioner go halwoi cook go vaz kuli go mozur coppersmith go misgur the one who makes copper ke bartan dyer go rangur fisherman go guard hans grain parcher go barbuz grocer go voin hawker go firewall jester go maskhar mason go dasil milkman go gur sweeper go patul very good अच्छा वन होता है आकत इचु प्रोफेशंस ठीक छा इचु तो बे पारन जो ये आपको पूरा वीक मिलेगा टिल द नेक्स्ट क्लास आत्मा शु तो ये बे प्रोफेशंस पारन बे क्या कर जाओ काम ये तो घर छु ना काट करान घर छु मम्मी डैडी सित काट करान या बेने सित या बॉय सित काट करान wherever you can use these words If you have to cut your hair and you have to go to a barber to cut your hair, you say that is how you will remember it. Otherwise, you will not remember if you will not practice. Okay? The garas mans karyo kath. Yim words karyo as much as you can use, you use these words. Iksha? Yatmas jo varia age groupic bache, usan bu chances winkenas. Achak exam yuan, CAT exam, usan MBS khatrachi yuan din. Varia nice pata, imsan bird che. Tatmas kya je, tatmas ye practice karna wan. Timche devan a vocabulary, a lucket im cards bane with vocabulary. So in your everyday, each day you have to use a card. I mean, you have to take out a card, you have to learn that word, and you have to use that word every day in your vocabulary. Same cheese chu toy kashris mans karun. Using words toy chu hechan yat classes mans haft chu toy melan tim practice karun khatra. Tim words chu toy practice karin. Say for example, to chu bootas chu boot chu putmut, to chu cobblerus nish gasun, share nav na khadr, heel chu dramas ya be ke chu komun, to chu oran bugas boot watlas nish. That is how you will remember. Otherwise, Iga unkena says paran, if you will not use these words, you will forget them. Teacher, so promise yourself for this 1 week, you will be using all these words, whatever you will learn, in your daily routine vocabulary. You don't have to say full sentences in Kashmiri because you don't know that you are not expert in Kashmiri. But what you can do is, you can say, I have to go to Butwatul. I have to go to Halvoy. I have to go to Voin, like that. Okay? Okay.
एक सवाल
हाँ third 1 minute. Give me 1 minute. I will come in 1 minute.
हाँ.
Hello.
Okay, sorry. So सवाल क्या? One question. Somebody was asking me a question.
हमारा क्या चकूली?
Are you able to hear me now?
क्या चकूली?
Kuli go mazur.
I mean, the definition for it.
Mazur means kuli is somebody who, I don't know, have you been to New Delhi railway station?
Hello.
There used to be some coolies there who used to pick up the luggage. Or anybody who is picking up the luggage or picking up heavy things and bringing it to your house, he becomes a mazur. Okay, that's a kuli.
Thank you.
Okay.
Yeah, we can hear you. Sorry, Kuldip ji.
Kuldip ji, we can hear you now.
You can hear us now.
Yeah.
Something happened to my. Now I got into the settings of this Zoom, and they had got disturbed. I think.
Oh, okay.
Can you? Okay, now you can either continue or I can add a little bit.
Okay, so should I continue?
हाँ ये खत्म कर दीजिए हो गया आपका ये सब
हाँ अभी numbers शुरू करते हैं grammar sorry
you allow me to do that I think
yeah sure okay
so I will do one thing you stop sharing and I'll start sharing
okay
sorry to bother you Shivani ji I don't know how it got updated automatically and I think all these settings got changed.
Okay, आप share कर लीजिए. So thank you everybody and practice. So over to Kuldip ji.
Thank you.
You are able to see my screen?
I think it's still loading.
Yeah, it's loading, but you are able to see my desktop.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Okay, so we are now here. You have finished up to this. Just one thing I wanted to say. I think the pronunciation which Shivani ji said regarding brazier, it is turtle, turtle, turtle. Like it is a and Ardhachandra and na is
Yeah,
on top.
sorry, turtle, yes.
No issue. Just a correction. Since I was able to hear, so I could. Okay. Now we'll go here. Now I think यहाँ से शुरू करना है ना मेरे को?
जी जी यहीं
Shivani
से
ji?
जी.
Okay. Chalo, good. So now we can do. We talking about numbers. That means what we are doing. We have हमारे पास एक ही word है और English में और इसको singular में क्या बोलते हैं कश्मीरी में और plural में क्या बोलते हैं थोड़ा सीखेंगे ठीक है ना? This was something that we wanted to learn. There's some questions that come like that. Window. The another thing, if you see, there's a in bracket there is written G. It means it's a gender of a particular word because in Kashmir whatever you have in gender in English or Devanagari वो वैसा नहीं है इसमें थोड़ा अपना ही gender है. So you have to remember this. Okay. So it is very clearly where it is F it means female gender and where it is M it is male gender. So window is female. It is the. We have read this. All of you can repeat after me. The. Okay. And dari.
Dari.
Dari means plural. So if anybody is using Devanagari, you can read here, and whoever is using Roman, I can read here. Okay. Water jar. Water jar is called nar. Nari. Kitchen garden is called var. Vari. Cat brr. Rari. Now here I just want to tell you कि ये जो ब्रर है इसका मतलब मेल से ब्रर का मेल भी रहता तो उसको ब्रोर बोलते हैं ब्रोर और उसका प्लूरल ब्रर रहता है बट वो विल स्टडी दैट सेपरेट टाइम सो जस्ट इट केम टू माय माइंड ब्रर ब्रारे राइना बर हारे earthen pot were ware. Now you can see here this kitchen garden is also known as were and earthen pot is also known as were. So you remember this. Whenever somebody is using a word were, so you must understand with what context क्या है ये garden का है या ये earthen pot का है ठीक है तो याद रखना unintelligent chur chariot male it could have been chore to chur anyway we'll get that separately so chur chariot fine year yare आप में से कितने लोग पहलगाम गए हैं कितने लोग गए हैं आवाज नहीं आ रही कोई 1 2 3 4 तो ये पर्टिकुलर ये जो पाइन ट्रीज बहुत सारे पहलगाम में देखने को मिलते हैं all is it is a are it is a needle type needle okay now only these two words have been written in red purposefully because जैसे आपने देखा सेम जैसे ये वर्ड है क्या नाम इसका जो हमारा वर्ड सिंगुलर में है उसका प्लूरल में री होता है साथ में, यर यारे चर चारे, बट नेक and mer, this is कर, it does not follow this rule here, so you have to remember this, कर, कर, mer, mer, these are the two where this does not apply. So cucumber is male, it is gender is male, lur and lur, plural is also lur, okay? Plural is also lur. Plum is and plural is also okay? Plural is also Tire is ter and plural is also ter. Okay, so let us go once again through this. I'll start with youngest one, Adya. Tell me window. You read window. And plural.
And the Darye.
Darye. It is D-A and R-I with the left and right, signs on the top. Yeah, Apurvaji, water jar.
Nar and Nari.
Sanchi, kitchen garden. Shubhangi ji, cat.
Brare.
Maina, Evelyn.
Her.
Divanshi, earthen pot. दिव्यांशी आपको सुनाई दे रहा है? नहीं. अच्छा, यश बोलिए. अर्धन पॉट. Very good. Unintelligent. Shalmali ji.
Yes, sir. Unintelligent. Chor, chari.
Very good. And now Prajakta ji. Pine.
Pine, ear, yare.
Okay. All. Shravan.
All the
Are. Now again, you remember this. Is also plum. Okay. So just remember that. Neck. Adya again. Anybody left? Anybody was not spoken? Okay, let's go. Shravan, okay, Shravan, you go ahead with neck.
Neck.
Divyanshi.
Neck.
Shravan, आप बोलिए. कर. Okay, Evelyn. Mer. Prajakta ji. Cucumber.
Lur.
And Shalmali ji. Plum.
Or.
And Shivangi ji. Tire.
Tur.
So now you have to remember 2-3 things here. These two letters, these two words which are in red, they do not follow the rule which is followed earlier on other words. And cucumber, plum, and tire, they have identical. Their words for singular and plural are identical. Okay, remember this. ठीक है? चलिए हम आगे चलते हैं. Verb. He walks. Adya, can you read this?
Suchupakan.
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 Suchupakan. She walks. Swachip ya Swachepakan. Swachipakan ya Swachepakan. Okay? Okay? He is walking. Suchupakan. She is walking. Swachipakan. He walked. Supok. He walked. Supok. She walked. Swapoj. Swapoj. Okay? Swapoj. He was walking. Suospakan. She was walking. Swaospakan. He will walk. Supake. He will walk. Swapake. He will be walking. Swaasipakan. She will be walking. Swaasipakan. 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 You can see this in Devanagari also. They are walking. Timchupakan. They walked. Timpuk. They were walking. Timuspakan. They will walk. Timpakan. They will be walking. Tim asan pakan. Okay. Now let us see again. Now he walks. Let us go one by one. Shravan, can you tell me?
Suchupakan.
Suchupakan. Okay. Next. Yash. She walks. Yash.
Yes. Suchupakan.
Sun. Swa. You are can pachuk paran. Devanagari asmaz hai ki nahi asmaz Roman asmaz English asmaz.
Kashmir मतलब देवनागरी.
देवनागरी ना actually लिखे सत और तो व स्व ये पैटर्न इच्छु सु इच्छु स्व स्वच्छ या स्वच्छ पकान. Okay. He is walking. Adya. He is walking.
Suchupakan.
Suchupakan. Very good. She is walking. Again, Adya. Swachipakan. Swa. S-O and with a top cap. Swa. Okay? Again, you read the whole sentence again.
Swachipakan.
Swachipakan. Very good. Very good. Shivangi ji, she is walking.
Supok.
He walked. That is he walked. No, she walked. He is walking. एक बार बताइए.
Suchupakan.
Very good. Again, you say the second one. He walked.
Supok.
Pok. आप देवनागरी में पढ़ती हैं शिवांगी?
No, Roman.
Roman. Okay, then it is much easier to understand it. Okay, Supok. Okay. She walked. Shalmali ji, she walked.
She walked. So perch.
Sopaj. Sopaj.
So perch.
Perch. Very good. He was walking. Prajakta ji.
Suospakan.
Sanchi. She was walking.
Swaospakan.
Swaospakan. Okay. She will be walking. Apurva ji.
Suosipakan.
Swaasipakan.
Suosipakan. Sorry.
Very good. Okay. No sure. Okay. You are reading in Devanagari, is it?
Roman.
Roman. This is a big sound. But this one is small sound. Pakan again. Okay. Good. They are walking. Evelyn,
Timchi pakan.
Timchi pakan. Very good. They walked. Yash.
Timpak.
Timpai. Timpai.
Timpak.
Pai. K to y chodi. K chodi to pata se diya. To pai. Pai. Shubhangi ji. They were walking.
Tim is pakan.
Tim is pakan. Divyanshi. They will walk. Divyanshi Shan शायद बोझन सुन आवाज. शलमाली जी.
Sir, Tim Devanagari and Roman. Tim also pakan.
Tim is pakan. ये मर्ज वाला है ना आ और ऊपर में अर्ध is pakan. थोड़ा लंबा सा is pakan. Okay. They will walk. शलमाली जी.
They will walk. Tim pakan.
Tim pakan. Very good. आप दूसरा भी पढ़ लीजिए. They will be
They
walking.
will be walking. Tim asan pakan.
Tim asan pakan. So I think we have done this. What we have to do is that we have to read this. How assignment? Read repeatedly and try to remember as many sentences as you can. We'll be asking your question. अब मेरे को अभी आज थोड़ा सा टाइम में थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम हो गया था कनेक्शन की वजह से. Can you tell me one thing now? लास्ट टाइम हमने एक दिया था, एक पोएम दिया था पढ़ने के लिए. वो किसने याद किया? किसने याद किया?
सर मैं लास्ट क्लास में नहीं था क्योंकि मैं बाहर गया था.
ओके ओके. सांची. सांची अच्छे याद?
सर मुझे ज्यादा अच्छे से याद नहीं हुआ था.
क्यों याद नहीं हुआ था? तो क्या चकना आजकल खवानी ध्यान तैसे सारी पर जान तैसे सारी पर जान पट कर हैं. तो क्या चक आजकल बिजी क्या चेक कर हैं?
सर कभी कभी जब मेरे कभी चाचू या चाची या नानी फोन करते हैं वो बीच में मुझे कश्मीरी में बात करते हैं.
ओके चलो अभी एक काम करते हैं. मैं चाहता हूँ कि चलो दिव्यांशी तो पर तो तेचे याद ये कोते गत्ता गिलिए तेचे याद और कैन यू रीड इट दिव्यांशी? आवाज शनिवार दिव्यांशी चलो
पढ़ने के लिए थुलन
आवाज नहीं आ रही. आद्या आपने याद किया है? Adya, have you learned this rhyme? Did you go through this rhyme? I want now. This time there is a homework from my side that all of you will recite this poem, read this poem, record that with video or only audio, whatever you like. I would prefer if it is with video, and send it to me. Send it to me. Okay. Techshi my yaad. Chalo Adya. Okay. I will just tell once again. Kottai gatsak giliye. You know what giliye is? What? It is a small fowl. It's like a bird, small bird, which is it's a water bird actually, which lives on the water. Okay. Kottai gatsak giliye. Berry kha. Berry kha means the small field of where we grow these grains. Sachmana kha. So if you know they are partitioned with small raised portions of with the mud. So those are called bear. So kote gatsa giliye berry kha. Kehe karni giliye thulan dinifa. Katsi chiye giliye Acht pancha means 50 and plus 1, 51. Acht pancha. Akha ditai giliye. Somebody is telling, give me one. Akha ditai giliye. Haram habika. She says, I don't have any. So she doesn't want to share with anybody. She says, I don't have any. So again, now what I would like to do, I have given you in one particular tone. I have sung this rhyme. You can do it in different tone. Koti gatsa giliye beri beri kha kehe karni giliye thulan dini fa katsi chiye giliye aptapansa akka jitte giliye haram hadika. ठीक है ना? You can do some acting also on that, and you can make a video and send to me on my number. Okay? Okay? All have my number.
Mechuna Paim.
Or you can note down the number 999
correction number
80
Sir, can you repeat?
999. एक काम करता हूँ मैं चैट बॉक्स में लिखता हूँ. It will be easy for you to sort of then. Okay, remember 99980111597. So you can see it properly. Can you read it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So note this number, and I want you to make a video of yourself singing this rhyme in different tones and with action. Young children and old, I don't mind. Everybody should have some hand gestures. Have fun with this song. Okay? तो और वो गाएंगे तो then we will see. You know what? This is very important. इससे आपने जो सीखा है लैंग्वेज जैसे कैसे ये कश्मीरी लैंग्वेज बोलना कैसे है उसमें थोड़ा अपने को अच्छा मदद मिलेगा. ठीक है? ओके? हाँ जी, हाँ जी.
Mara hekbu vanethios song Weinking.
हाँ, कैसे आप वही वैसे वना नहीं वही तो चेक में कहाँ से करा खड़ा है.
ठीक है मारा. कोते गच्छगिलिये बेरे बेरे खा केह करने गिलिये ठोलन दे निफा कच्चिये गिलिये अक्त पंचा अखादिते गिलिये हरमा बिका.
Very good, very good. Let us give cheers to Sanchi. Good, good. So similarly, anybody wants to try? Shivangi ji, Apurva ji, you want to try?
Sir, I want to try.
कौन बोल रहा है बेटा?
यश.
हाँ यश बोलो ना, आप भी बोलो. सबको चांस मिलेगा. चलो.
What do you?
क्या बोलो बोलो खबर.
What do you गच्छु गिलिये बेरे बेरे खा खे करने गिलिये दुल्हन दिन पा.
कच्ची च है ना नीचे च के नीचे डॉट है. ची कच्ची चाहिए गिलिये. हाँ शाबाश. वर्ड
ची गिलिये अक्त पंसा.
हाँ बात है.
अखादित गिलिये हराम हबी खा.
Ah, very good, very good, very nice try. So let us hear from some slightly grown up guys. Apurva, and later on Adya. Adya, you be ready, eh? You have to speak. Now Apurva.
I'll try.
Yeah, sure.
Kote gatsakiliye beri beri kha ke karne giliye tulin dini pa katse chiye giliye akta pansa akadite giliye haram habika.
Oh, excellent, excellent. First try is good, good. Shivangi ji, आपकी टर्न है अभी.
Okay. कते गत्सक के लिए बेरी बेरी खा केहे करने के लिए ठूलन देनी फा कच्चे छिए के लिए अख्त पंसा अखा देते के लिए हराम हबी का.
Very good, excellent. Everybody should cheer for nice song. Now Adya and Evelyn, I want them later on. फिर हम प्राजक्ता जी और शर्माली जी को विषय भी पूछेंगे. Evelyn, Adya, first you try.
खोते गत्सक के लिए बेरे बेरे खा खे करने के लिए ठूलन देनी फा कच्चे छिए के लिए अक्त पंसा देते के लिए हराम हबी खा.
Very good, excellent, excellent, very good, very good. चलो एवलिन, यू टेल नाउ, अभी आप बताइए। एवलिन,
केते गस गिलिए बेरी बेरी खा कई गस गिलिए ठुलन दिन पा
कत्ते छिए गिलिए
कत्ते सिए गिलिए अक्त पंसा
हाँ
अखा दिते
सॉरी जस्ट आई वाज ट्राइंग टू पुट इट ऑन वन, नहीं ये ज्यादा ठीक है। अब तो
अखा दिते के लिए
हराम हबी का
हराम भी कहा।
प्राजक्ता जी
Yes, sir.
बोलिए।
कोते गत्सक गिलिए बेरी बेरी खा कह करनी गिलिए ठुलंदिनी फा कत्से छिए गिलिए अख्त पंसा अखा दिते गिलिए हराम हबी का।
वेरी गुड, एक्सलेंट एक्सलेंट। शलमाली जी आपकी टर्न है।
Yes, sir. पोते गत्सक गिलिए बेरी बेरी खा कह करनी गिलिए ठुलंदिनी खा कत्से छिए गिलिए अक्त पंसा। आगे क्या दिख नहीं रहा है आगे।
हाँ अभी आए।
अखा दिते गिलिए हराम हबी का।
थैंक यू शलमाली जी, ग्रेट। दिव्यांशी आपको सुनाई दे रहा है? आपको मेरा आवाज सुनाई दे रहा है दिव्यांशी? नहीं।
सर
सो व्हाट वी विल डू नाउ।
सर एक
हाँ जी बोलिए हाँ जी।
हाँ, इसका मीनिंग एक बार फिर बताए तो अच्छा होगा।
हाँ देखिए, मैं ये बोल रहा हूँ, ये एक ये जो बर्ड है, ये जो गिलिए जो है ना, ये एक बर्ड है, वाटर बर्ड है। तो बोलते हैं कि somebody is asking him, खुद ही कैसे गिलिए, where are you going गिलिए, कहाँ जा रहे हो आप गिलिए, very very खा, I am going, there are small what should I say, passages in the field of grain. So we are going through the passages. I am going into the field, fields of grain fields. केहे करने के लिए, why are you going there? Thulan dinifa. I want to my eggs are there. I want to hatch them. I want to hatch them. कच्चे छिए के लिए, how many you have? How many eggs you have? Akht pansa. 150, that is 51. Then akha ditte ke liye, please give me one. Haram habika, no, I have nothing to give. Okay. I don't have anything. So that is how it is. Okay. It is just a fun. So but this is very very interesting. So now shall I close this share screen? Okay. With your permission, I will just close the screen. First of all, okay. Then we'll go here. Give me stop share is over. Okay, now I can talk to you. Now, sorry first of all for my communication issue. So हम बात नहीं कर पाए पहले से. Something had happened to my actually settings in Zoom itself, which doesn't normally happen. पता नहीं क्या हो गया. Anyway, no issue. So आज का क्लास कैसा रहा? मजा आया? आज तो शिवानी जी ने भी आधा क्लास लिया, आधा मैंने भी लिया. आज तो दो टीचर थे. आज तो और भी मजा आ गया, है ना? आज तो था असल के साथ. और सबसे अच्छा तो मेरे को जो अच्छा लगा आज, everybody sang this poem very nicely. I am proud of you. You are attending the class properly और आप सीख भी रहे हो. और हमेशा एक चीज बहुत जरूरी है, प्रैक्टिस करेंगे. अगर थोड़ा हमको नहीं आता है तो हम सीख लेंगे, कोई बात नहीं. तो यू कीप प्रैक्टिसिंग. लाइक जैसे जितने अच्छे प्लेयर भी रहते हैं ना, वो जब मैच नहीं खेलते ना तब भी प्रैक्टिस करते हैं. नहीं तो बोलेंगे हमको तो आता है, फिर जरूरत नहीं है प्रैक्टिस करने की. नो, दे कीप प्रैक्टिसिंग. सो व्हाट वी नीड टू डू, जिसको आता है उसको भी प्रैक्टिस करना है, जिसको कम आता है उसको भी प्रैक्टिस करना है टू बिकम बेटर. ओके, ठीक है. Okay, very good. So any other issue in that whatever was taught there in the beginning? So actually, the one thing which you must remember, we have talked about different professions today. जो different profession जो बोला है, this will improve आपका सबका vocabulary इससे बढ़ेगा. इसका मतलब ये है कि आपको कश्मीरी वर्ड्स किसको कैसे बोलने का, बार बार को कैसे बना, एक्चुअली नयिद बोलते हैं, दैट इज द करेक्ट कश्मीरी, बट कभी कभी लोग जैसे कोलोकियली नविद भी बोलते हैं, कभी बोलेगा आपको नहीं नहीं वो तो नविदस निजगत, तो बेसिक वर्ड इज नयिद, बट कभी कभी लोग अभी उसको मतलब जनरली इट इज गॉट थोड़ा मॉडिफाइड, कभी कभी नविद भी बोलते हैं, so ko to gomut vosus növidas gomut मेos टाइटल मास्कास नोसुस गो vosus növidas nicht gomut या नयिदस nicht, ठीक है. So इथे पटेंसन सो थर्टर वन में थर्टर, so that is how you should remember what is going to happen by these words. It isn't a special vowels to hitchme, those are in use in this, so you can understand exactly pronunciation of the Kashmiri words. You are doing wonderful. Let me tell you, you are doing great. We are in the 9th lesson only and we have to go to 16th lesson. So तब तक तो आपने तो बहुत अच्छी तरीके से आज गाया. Now I will know how good you are. I want to see two videos of everybody with different styles. एक गा के, एक थोड़ा सा एक्शन करके. So next time when I want to see all of them, and next time when we see, then I will see if we can share in this class itself. Okay, so we can have some fun. Okay? Yes, everybody. Thumbs up.
Sir.
Yes. बोलिए बेटा.
क्या as a Masterji?
Masterji actually उनकी तबीयत ठीक नहीं थी, तो he's now getting well. He had to be operated upon. Now he is with the grace of God he's come back, but the operation was really difficult one, and it had drained his energy, a lot of energy, and I mean just to tell you how grave it was, that I have not been able to speak to him. We only talk on messages because he's very weak. Okay. So with the grace of God, I feel that next week he should be there with us. So we will have him here, if not to speak, at least to join us and pat us here. Okay. I will express your feelings also to him and tell him that everybody says that you should get well soon and join this class, because we are missing him, all of us. Are we not? We are missing. Yes, we are missing Masterji. So we'll have him surely next week. I'll talk to him tomorrow. I'll try to talk to him tomorrow and see how we can join us. Okay. Great. Can we now say I'm sorry for once again that because of my network issue, because of my speaker issue, I could not connect with you. Okay. Chalo, all the best and have fun. Learning should be fun. So have fun with the language. Okay. Namaskar. God bless you all. God bless you all.
Namaskar.
Namaskar.